Hello, Teleosaurus again here, and tonight I'm going to show you my other dad's, another 22 that my dad has that he technically has given to me, although, like I said, till, as long as he's still with me, still with us, I'm always going to consider him his guns, even though he doesn't shoot anymore. And this is, of course, one of his personal favorites. He had to get this, in '83, if I remember right. This is a Marlin Golden 39A. This is another gun that's still being made, too. And this is a classic. I mean, this is, he loves, you can see the white line spacer, so you know this is an 80s gun. It's a lever action, 22. It shoots 22 long rifle, long and short. I've actually shot short with this gun. Not as accurate as long rifle. I'd love to get my hands on some 22 long, but that's a hard round to find. But it's a typical lever action here, and you got the external hammer. Now, one thing, my dad originally had a scope on here as well. He took it off. I wish I could find the original screws though, so I can close those holes up. But it also did come, the Golden 39A, with this hammer spur. This is so he could use the scope while being able to still use the hammer. This is side spur, so this way you could just go like that, and with the scope over, you could still use the hammer, cock, decock it. And it's a really nice feature. I actually decided to keep it on the gun, even though I took the scope off. But comes with the sling swivels. Tubular magazine again. Really like the tubular magazines. It's got a hooded front sight and a buckhorn rear sight. And I hope I got this so you can see the barrel, how it is. Real sweet gun to handle. I mean, Marlin really makes these, and this is just a classic Marlin. I mean, so well made. She's seen some use, but not as much as she should have, because like I said, I don't really shoot her and my dad's guns that much, just because again, this gun's very accurate, and in some ways it's boring, but every once in a while I like to take them out just to give them a little run through. And that's about it. Just wanted to show you. She's a very sweet gun to shoot. Got the pistol grip, and very easy to handle, real quick. Easy to bear. And I recommend definitely, if you love a good 22 lever action, you can't go wrong with a Marlin. You really can't. I love it. I mean, I'm not really into lever guns. I mean, I do confess that. As you can see, I don't have any lever guns really. So, but she's a beauty. So, and that's about it. Till next time.